Biden says 90% of adults will be eligible for COVID-19 vaccine in 3 weeks. President Biden announced on Monday that the vast majority of Americans will be eligible to get their first COVID-19 vaccination shot by April 19. I am pleased to announce that at least 90% of all adults in the country will be eligible to be vaccinated by April 19, just 3 weeks from now, because we have the vaccines for the past vast majority of adults. You won't have to wait until May 1, the president emphasized. Biden also announced that he is directing his administration to ensure there is a vaccine site within 5 miles of 90% of all Americans by the same date. Biden touted that we are on a track this week, just 10 weeks after I became president, to achieve nearly 75% of Americans over the age of 65 getting at least one vaccination shot. When I took office on January 20, that number was only 8%. And his message to those 65 and older seniors: if you have not gotten your shot yet, get this week. But the president warmed out our work is far from over. The war against COVID 19 is far from won. This is deadly serious. And he stressed that I am reiterating my call for every governor, mayor, and local leader to maintain and reinstate the mask mandate. Please, this is not politics. Reinstate the mandate if you let it down. Biden noted that case rising again, new variants are spreading, and sadly, some of the reckless behavior we have seen on television over the past few weeks means that more new cases are to come in a week ahead. He emphasized that as I do my part to accelerate the vaccine distribution and vaccination, I need the American people to do their part as well. Mask up, mask up. It is a pandemic duty. It is the only way we ever get back to normal.